A very blessed day. This is the most blessed day because what we are going to know today is how to be blessed. First and foremost, in the Bible, this is always a seed time and harvest, and it's true. Same true in the natural that you sow a seed on the ground, it will grow not only one, two, three, so many by a one seed. Same true in the spiritual. The Lord says, give, and it will give to you. It will be given back to you 100-fold. That's a seed, time, and harvest. You cannot outgive God. Everything that you give to God, He's looking at it. Everything. But there's a passage also that says that sow your seed in the evening and in the morning. It's because you will not know which seed will yield the good harvest. You will know which seed will yield the best. You do not know which seed is the good seed that will yield so much fruit. So, brothers and sisters, giving to the Lord's work is one of the most important thing that you can do for your life, because God is there and He cares for your need. When you give to the Lord's work, it will protect your finances and your future. It will bless you as you be very diligent. It will bless your business and everything that you do. As you plant that seed by giving to the Lord's work, give, and it shall be given you, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will men give to you. Brothers and sisters, the word of God is sure and true, and none will fall to the ground. Just you are planting and you expect the harvest. God is looking at you, and He will bless you more than you ever knew. There's a details on this video, details of this video, wherein you can give and sow your seed to the Lord's work, and God will bless you much. So again, the word of God is sure and true. Let's trust Him with our wealth, and He will trust us the heavenly wealth, and He will take care of your needs in this life and the next. God bless you so much, and thank you so much for giving in the Lord's work. God is looking at you, and God bless much.